Now here is a sitter form probability, a easier one. It is given that the minimum number of times a fair coin must be tossed so that the probability of getting at least one head is more than 99%. Now the question says that we need at least one head. So what we are going to do here, we are subtracting the case of no head. If we are tossing n times a coin, if we want no head, it is 1 upon 2 raised to the power n. So if we need at least one head, then the probability is 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power n. So we have subtracted one case, that is when we need no head. So from these all cases include at least one head. So this probability has to be greater than 99%. So this is greater than 99 by 100. So from here we have 1 upon 2 raised power n is less than 1 upon 100. Now the values of n which are going to satisfy this inequality are all greater than or equal to 7. So the minimum value of n is definitely 7. So fourth is the correct option. Let us move to the next problem. In the next problem, it is given that if 5x plus 9 equal to 0 is the directrix of the hyperbola and the hyperbola is this, then its corresponding direct focus is. Now again a very simpler one. The directrix is given and that is equal to minus 9 by 5. And we know the directrix to the standard hyperbola are plus minus a by e. Now this is the hyperbola converting into the standard form, dividing by 144. Here we have x square minus 9 minus y square upon 16 is equal to 1. So we can easily get the value of a from here. So a is 3. So the directrix is minus a by e if you link these two directrix. So minus 9 by 5 is equal to minus a by e and the value of a is 3. So we can get the value of e from here. So the value of e from here is definitely 5 by 3. So e is what we have got. Now the corresponding focus to this directrix is definitely, we know it is minus a e comma 0. So a is here for us 3 and e is 5 by 3. So the value is minus 5 comma 0. So the correct option here again is the third one. Let's move to the next problem. Now next problem is again related to the system of linear equation. The first equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Second equation is involving a variable lambda, and again third equation is 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equal to minus 5. The question says that if these system of equation has infinitely many solutions, then lambda is the root of which of these equations. Although we need to calculate delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3 all have to be 0 for these system of equation to have infinite solutions. So, but the option itself suggests there is one lambda. Lambda has to be consistent with all the equations. There is no need to find the lambda from all the values of delta. So we can calculate from any one of these or from all of these if we have time. So let us see, let us calculate the value of delta, which is 1 1 1 4 lambda minus lambda, then it is 3 2 and minus 4. If you evaluate this, we will have minus 4 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 16 plus 3 lambda and again 8 minus 3 lambda. So, if you equate this to 0, you will get the value of lambda as 3. Again, if you calculate delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 and equate that to 0, you will get the same value of lambda, that is equal to 3. But there is actually no need to do that. If you see these options, you can see the second option which is satisfying the value of lambda, which is equal to 3, because 9 minus 3 minus s is equal to 0. So, the second option is the correct option. Let us move to the next problem.